Okay, so here's what I see when I log in. I've got the three different conference titles there. And under ABSEL, I'm listed as a program committee member, but I do not have chair listed there. So if I go to the ABSEL conference and I look around at my various functions, like up here where the tabs are, there's no tab for program committee. And then if I back out of that and I go back to Secra, for example, and I go to chair, then I have this function called PC, which allows me to do invitations for someone else to be a program chair. So I think that's what we need to give Laura access to, but for some reason I don't have that tab. I'm only assuming it's because someone else set up the chairs in ABSEL, because they appear in Secra but not for ABSEL. Thanks.